Hello, welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop. Video testing tayo. Okay, shoutout po kay Sir Fall of Sultan Kudarat, sir. Welcome to 5th generation Nabi Shop. This is your unit, the Glock 18C gas blowback airsoft pistol by WE. Ito po yung silver slide. So, bali may kasama na po siyang bala, airsoft BBs. Yan, airsoft BBs 0.23 grams. This is 4,000 shots. And also yung green gas, Pop Dino, standard power, number 12. At ito yung kanyang box. Yan. Silver slide. By WE, made in Taiwan. Okay, buksan na natin. Comes with the owner's manual. Scan nyo lang yung QR code. The magazine is 24 rounder capacity. Yan. Ito yung dalawang bulbs. Inlet and outlet. And this is the unit. Glock 18C Tactical 9x19, made in Taiwan. Ayan, this one is Gen 3. Ayan. Yan yung sight. Tapos, meron siyang railing for accessories. Pwede kang maglagay dito, sir, ng flashlight or lasers. And then, threaded na rin yung barrel niyan. And as you can see, may thread po yan. So, pwede po kayong maglagay dyan ng tracer units. Yun. Suppressor, silencer, pero mas maganda tracer units ang ilalagay nyo. Okay. So, ayan yung unit. Glock 18C. Silver slide, black frame. Okay, ito yung switch para sa semi and full auto. Yan. 1 dot for semi, then 2 dots for full auto. Mamaya ite-test natin. Pati yung chronograph test, ite-test natin mamaya. Okay, again, this is the Glock 18C unit of Sir Paul of Sultan Kudarat. Yan. Okay. So, load tayo ng gas. So, sa paglo-load po ng gas, sir, inverted position, upside down. Ayan. Pati warik po. Then, count. 3 segundo lang. Okay? Okay, press. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay? 3 segundo lang. Enough na po yun. Okay? Load tayo ng BBs. Two shots muna para sa chronograph testing. Okay, so ngayon iti-test natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, so bali testing tayo, sir, kung ilang EPS. Okay, this is your unit, the Glock 18C with the semi and full automatic. Okay. Firing 344.7. Kita na natin sa screen. Yan, 344.7. Isa pa. Firing 345.0. Yan. Tapos, nag-open chamber siya dahil wala na siyang bala. Yan, open chamber. Release mo lang yung mag. Tapos, hatakin mo lang yung slide. Tapos bababa yung slide release eh. Ayan, bumaba siya. Then tsaka mo siya bitawan. Okay, then hammer down. Okay, so ngayon itetest natin siya ulit. Shooting test tayo, semi and full auto naman. Okay? Okay, Sir Paul of Sultan Kudarat. This is your Glock 18C by WE. Semi and full automatic. Ayan. Okay, shooting test. So, semi-automatic muna tayo. Okay, firing. So, yun po yung semi. Ngayon, switch tayo sa full. Yan, baba mo lang yung switch and then one trigger pull lang, uubusin niya na yung bala. Yan, firing. Yan yung full auto. Okay, then open chamber. Release the mag. Then hatak mo lang to para bumaba ito. Ito yung slide release. Yan, para bumaba siya. Wag niyo po siyang gagamitin para hindi mapudpud tong part na to. Yung pinagsampahan niya dun sa slide. Wag niyo tong gagamitin niyo. Ibababa niyo tong slide stop. Bali, ang gagawin niyo po, hatakin niyo po ito. Para wala silang contact. Bababa kasi yung slide stop. Tingnan niyo po. Yan, bumaba siya. Tapos saka mo siya i-release. Then, balik lang natin sa semi. Okay. Petix lang sa, sa full auto para hindi agad-agad masira yung internals natin. Okay. Petix lang. Kumbaga, semi-semi lang tayo. Bira lang natin gamitin yung full auto. Okay? So, ayun sir. Sir Paul of Sultan Kudarat. Okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the Glock 18C by WE. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. If you have more questions, sir, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.